When you click on one of these hypnosis videos on YouTube, it's near impossible to know what you're stepping into. We don't know each other. There's little trust. You're appropriately guarded. Let's talk for a moment about this session you'll soon experience. Yes, this is my voice. I haven't pirated this content from somewhere on the web. I'm a stage hypnotist, and I've performed for more than 15 years, more than 1,000 shows in that time, meeting hundreds of good girls. My role as a master is all about you, respecting you, appreciating you, giving you a safe and protected place to express your submissive desires. In this video, we're going to go through a progressive relaxation exercise. If I do this well, you're going to feel amazing, peaceful, calm, relaxed, your submissive desires beginning to stir. We're then going to use your own words to deepen your trance, make you feel more and more submissive and obedient to me, trusting in me, knowing that you can be perfect for me in every way. We'll then conclude things with a special command just for you, something you can do to let me know how perfect you are. This is going to be less than 10 minutes of your time, but again, if I do this well, you may find yourself watching more of my videos just to hear my voice. Does that sound okay? Good girl. Let's start by having you focus on my voice. Each word, soft, warm, soothing, very hypnotic. And as you focus on my voice, I want you to allow everything around you to fade away. Any sound you hear, any thought you have, brings you back to me, to my voice. Calm, comfortable, easy to listen to. In a moment, I'm going to count down slowly from 5 to 1. And with each number down, just focus on my voice, allowing yourself to go deeper and deeper and deeper. With each number, with each breath, with each heartbeat. When I reach the number 1, we're going to take 2 nice deep breaths together. When you breathe in, you're going to take in all of this amazing oxygen around you, making you feel calm and relaxed. And when you breathe out, I just want you to imagine you're pushing away any stress, tension, negativity in your life. It's going to feel amazing to do this with me. Okay, so focus on my voice. Each word, each breath, each heartbeat, going deeper and deeper. Already in trance for me, feeling calm and relaxed and peaceful. Very mindless and obedient. Counting you down slowly from 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a nice deep breath in and breathe out and relax for me. Good girl. Take another nice deep breath in and breathe out and relax. Calm and peaceful. You're doing so well. You may now find that your breathing is becoming more and more calm and relaxed as everything around you just seems to slow down. You feel very chill, focused only on me, just listening to my voice, my words. They just feel right and real and wonderful. It feels so good to obey. You may even notice that your eyes are getting very heavy. You can barely keep them open. It would feel amazing just to let them close, to give in, to give up, to be perfect for me. Let's count down again from 5 to 1. And this time, as we do this together, those wonderful eyes of yours will get heavier and heavier, wanting to close, needing to close, desiring to close. The more you might try to keep your eyes open, the heavier they'll become, instantly, willingly, obediently. Let this happen. Allow yourself to give in. When I reach the number 1, I'm going to ask you to close your eyes, and they will close. Your thoughts will fade, your mind will shut down, and you will become completely focused on my voice and only my voice. My words, my commands, they'll be everything to you. So let's do this together, just the two of us, in trance, relaxed, hypnotized, obedient, eyes heavy, heavier and heavier with each number down. 5, 4, 3. You can barely keep your eyes open. They want to close. You want to obey. You need to be perfect for me. 2 and 1. Take a nice deep breath in. Breathe out. And close your eyes, my little pet. Close your eyes. Obey. Obey. Good girl. Deeply relaxed. Deep in trance. Deeply hypnotized. Aware of only my voice. My voice, my words. They are your thoughts. You are helpless and obedient and submissive. Deep under your master's spell. In a moment, I'm going to count down again from 5 to 1. And when I reach the number 1, I'm going to say very special words for you. And when you hear these words, you will repeat them in your own soft voice. And as you hear your own voice, these words will become part of who you are, deep in your mind, forever part of who you are. Let's do this together. Focus on me. Focus on these words. Focus on my voice. In trance, hypnotized, mindless, feeling safe and calm and peaceful. Remember, what you hear, what you then say, will be part of who you are, in your mind forever. 5, 4, deeper, deeper into trance, deeply hypnotized. 3 and 2, even deeper, even more focused, even more relaxed. Only my voice, only my words. And 1, repeat these words softly to yourself. I want to obey you, Master. Say this now. I want to obey you, Master. Good girl. Yes, you do want to obey me. It feels so good to be submissive to your Master, to serve me, to please me, to follow my special commands. And as you think about this feeling that you now have, how perfect it is to obey, my voice, my commands, the desire to obey your Master becomes stronger and stronger, more and more intense, more and more perfect. This is what you deserve, to finally be understood and appreciated and cared for. Repeat these words again for me. I want to obey you, Master. That's perfect. You're perfect. A perfect good girl. It's only my voice that makes you feel this way. It's only my voice that makes you want to obey. In a moment, I'm going to count up from 1 to 3. When I reach the number 3, you're going to open your eyes, feeling calm, relaxed, chill, still very much in trance, hypnotized, under my spell. You're going to do 2 things for me. It's very important that you do these things. It will feel wonderful and amazing to obey. First, you're going to click on the thumbs up to this video. You want to show me how amazing you feel, how the soothing sound of obedience transforms you into a perfect good girl. And then second, you're going to write a comment. You remember those special words you were compelled to say for me? You're going to write those words as a comment to this video, just for me. I want to obey you, Master. And when you write those words, I want to obey you, Master, it will feel real and right and wonderful and perfect. Okay, let's do this together. Remaining in trance, hypnotized, obedient, willingly and obediently following all of your special commands. 1, 2, and 3. Open your eyes, feeling very relaxed and calm, deep in trance, deeply hypnotized. Good girl, calm and comfortable, submissive to me, obedient to me, completely under my spell. Follow your 2 special commands. Do as I have asked of you. Obey. Obey.